बेंगलुरु के बिस्मिल्लाह नगर में बीईटी इंग्लिश नर्सरी स्कूल का नॉलेज एग्जीबिशन, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों का शानदार मुजाहिरा, नौनिहालों का दिलचस्प व दिलकश मुजाहिरा, टीचर्स और वालिदैन की रहनुमाई में बच्चों ने पेश किए एक से बढ़कर एक मॉडल्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स और बच्चों का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी खूब और उम्दा रहा।
जुपिटर, यूरेनस, सैटर्न, नेपच्यून, मरकरी, स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट।
जी हाँ दोस्तों, 21 दिसंबर 2023 बरोज जुमेरात बीईटी तालीमी इदारे में नर्सरी स्कूल के बच्चों का एग्जीबिशन मुनक़द हुआ। बेंगलुरु के मुस्लिम ऑर्फनेज की एजुकेशन सब कमेटी की चेयरपर्सन मोहतरमा सीमा मोहसिन ने इस नुमाइश का इफ्तिताह किया। बच्चों के मुजाहिरे ने, परफॉर्मेंस ने हर एक को खूब मुतासिर किया। सीमा मोहसिन ने कहा कि बच्चों की तालीमी बुनियाद अगर इस नहज पर रखी जाए तो यकीनन मुस्तकबिल में ये बच्चे अपने करियर में आला से आला मकाम हासिल करेंगे। सीमा मोहसिन ने कहा कि 2008 में उन्होंने बीईटी इंस्टीट्यूशन का दौरा किया था। कौमो मिल्लत के इस इदारे ने कम वक्त में काफ़ी तरक्की की है। यूं ही ये इदारा तरक्की करता रहे और इससे से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा सोसाइटी को होता रहे। इस मौके पर नॉलेज हुड पब्लिक स्कूल की एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रुक्मिनी और दीगर ने बच्चों के इस परफॉर्मेंस की सताइश की। इस पूरे एग्जीबिशन का मुआयना करने और बच्चों को मार्क्स देने के लिए दीगर स्कूलों से 3 जज यहां हाजिर थे। तो दोस्तों चलिए देखते हैं बीईटी के इन नौनिहालों के टैलेंट को, इनकी सलाहियतों को, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये बच्चे आगे चलकर मुल्क और मिल्लत के काम आएंगे और कीमती असासा बनकर अपना, अपने खानदान का और अपनी स्कूल का नाम रोशन करेंगे। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತೊಂದೇ ಕನ್ನಡ. There are 2 types of farming: structural farming, commercial farming. Structural farming done for deficits, commercial farming done for market profit. Rice crop, cotton crop, wheat crop. This farming crop we celebrate farming on 23rd December. Thank you. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is about traffic light. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the corner bright. My topic is pre-season of India. Summer season is known as the hot season from March to May. Monsoon season is known as live in the water. My name is Seema.
मैडम कि आज यहाँ पर आप आए हैं, how is these children's talent? How do you see this?
It is mesmerizing, I would say, in one word. इतनी छोटी उम्र में so many diverse topics के ऊपर इतनी confidently, इतना good pronunciation के साथ, it is very well done. I should appreciate the teachers and the management of Bismillah Education Trust who's training the school and has taken such a good step in empowering the children and taking the education to a new level. So I congratulate all of them, and today I immensely enjoyed. I thought when I came over here, ये नर्सरी का एग्जीबिशन है तो छोटे बच्चे तुतला के बोलेंगे, पता नहीं क्या बोलेंगे, maybe they'll need a lot of teachers assistance, ऐसे सोच कर आई। लेकिन ये बच्चे इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, इतना अच्छा प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इतने बड़े बड़े टॉपिक्स इतना अच्छी तरीके से विथ फोनेटिक्स, विथ प्रोनाउंसिएशन, आई एम टोटली इम्प्रेस्ड। बहुत अच्छा लगा।
एजुकेशन का जो शोभा है वो काफ़ी बदल रहा है
जी।
जो कंपटीशन का दौर है उससे कॉम्पीट कर सकते हैं।
जी, आज का दौर तो ग्लोबल, द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज बिकमिंग अ ग्लोबल विलेज। तो यहाँ पे कंपटीशन भी ज़्यादा है और जो बाहर की दुनिया है उसके साथ हमें मैच करके चलना है। तो दिस टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज ऑल्सो दिस लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट दैट इज हैपनिंग। उसके पेस पे रखते हुए एजुकेशन ऑल्सो नीड टू बी ऑन दैट लेवल। So I think this is a huge challenge. We need to learn how to equip the children and how to make the education more strong with all information technology that is coming and the artificial intelligence that is coming in. तो उसको हैंडल करने के लिए बच्चों को एम्पावर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है आज की दुनिया में। इट्स अ बिग चैलेंज एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पीपल आर getting up and trying to match that standard and equipping the children with this. It's a big task and we are already on the path.
तो यहाँ पर जो है नर्सरी से लेकर बच्चों को इस तरह की तरबियत दी जा रही है, मुस्तकबिल में इसके क्या फ़ायदे हो सकते हैं?
इससे जो है बच्चों का एक तो उनका इंफॉर्मेशन और उनका जो हॉरिजॉन है उनका एक ब्रॉडर स्पेक्ट्रम होगा, उनका लुकआउट बहुत बढ़ेगा and they will be very confident to handle the challenges that the world is putting across to them. तो it is rightly said, catch them when they are young. तो इसी उम्र में अगर हम एम्पावर करेंगे बच्चों को तो आगे चलकर ये एक बेहतरीन शहरी भी बनेंगे, एक अच्छे सिटीजन्स बनेंगे और ग्लोबल सिटीजन्स भी बनेंगे. दे विल बी एबल टू मैच अप एंड टेक अप द चैलेंजेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड.
आखिर में क्या मैसेज है मैडम, यहाँ बीईटी में आए आप और इस इदारे की खिदमत को कैसे आप देखते हैं?
I have come here in 2008 और तब से लेकर अब तक it is a tremendous change. They have taken a huge leap towards success and they are already on the path of development. I see it as very good. The institution is in very good hands and they are doing a tremendous service. I congratulate each of them and wish them all the best.
Thank you. Your good name and designation.
I am Seema Mohsin, chairperson of education subcommittee, the Muslim Orphanage.
ಇದರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿತ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ದಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 10 minutes ಆಗಲಿ 15 minutes ಆಗಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ 15 minutes ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ
ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಶೋರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಳು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು.
ತಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏಜ್ ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತುಂಬಾ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಗೆ ತಂಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಆರ್ಫನೇಜ್.
Hello everyone. It was really nice that children are doing with the confidence and they shared whatever they have learned, and it was really very colorful to see how they have prepared. I think more than anyone they will be very proud for whatever they are doing for this, and it was really nice that students with a full of energetic they did this. And I'm really happy that students are involving in all the exhibitions and everything, and I hope they also enjoyed this. And for me it was really very happy to see that children are doing this. Thank you so much.
Your good name?
My name is Manasa. I'm from Key Education Foundation. I work as a program manager in there. Morning. My name is Fatima Rahina. I am studying UKG A section BET English Nursery School. Today I am speaking about health is wealth. Health is wealth. It is one of God's best gifts to us. If we are careless about it, it is
lost soul. Bad habits spoil our health. These are some examples. No smoking and drinking. Avoid junk foods. For example, pizza, burger, french fries, cola, etc. So we must try to keep good health, good habits, use dustbin, use toilet. For that we must eat enough but not too much food. Take healthy and balanced diet. These are some examples for nutrition food. Butter, oil, cheese.
Yes.
Good morning everyone. My name is Josefa Sultan. I am studying in UKG Ashik. I am topic signal. I have three colors: red, yellow, green. Red light means stop, yellow light means wait, green light means go. Never hurry walking in the road. Avoid phone call while driving. Wear helmet while riding. We should always follow the traffic rules. Safe drive, safe life. Thank you. Good morning, Good morning, everyone. My name is Sayyid. Topic is part of the plant.
Yes.
Root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. This is mango tree. Mango is a king of fruit.
Mango is healthy fruit.
Mango is healthy fruit.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Next. Loudly.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Shatta. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is lungs. Today I will explain about lungs. Breathing air necessary for keeping human alive. Oxygen cells, our cells get their energy from food. We should die between minutes if we are stop breathing. Thank you.
Yes,
Doctor. Front of come.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Kaf. I am studying in LKG class. The topic is about first aid box. Today I am going to tell about first aid box. We need first aid box to deal with minor accident. Proper first aid can save a person's life. Dettol, teardrop, cotton, ointment, plaster, tablet.
Thank you.
My name is Sara Lewis. I am studying LKG class. The topic is smoking. Topic is useful. Spell smoker. Thank you. School name is BT English Nursery School. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is community helpers. Policeman catch the thief. Doctors shoot patient. Postman give us letters. Fireman save us. Chef farmer grows crops. Chef making the food. Teacher teach us. Driver make the vehicle.
Thank you.
Thank you. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगी डर जाएगी, कमर में डालो जल जाएगी, मुंह में डालो मर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी।
और एक बार बोलो।
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगे डर जाएगी, कमर में डालो जल जाएगी, मुंह में डालो मर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी।
Yes.
Undare gunda, madlemane goda, atulanu tinda, vattelenu enda, amma vene kottenu, inasa papapa, appa donne tanda, kai kat, bye, chanda.
Good.
Good morning everyone. My name is Seema Mohsin. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is bird. Bird is made of wood. It It is cheap plant pot. It is used for fish. It is used for fishing. It is used for towel and water. Thank you.
Yes, start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Afifa. I am sharing in UKG section. My topic is about the zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept. Zoo is a great place for entertainment. In zoo we can find different animals and birds like tiger, camel, giraffe, zebra, elephant, deer, birds named crow, peacock, sandal, and turkey. Zoo watchmen, zoo peoples, old men. These are cars. While visiting a zoo, we should not miss every animal. Everyone loves to visit, especially children. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Shifa Fatima. I am studying the UKG section. Today my topic is source of water. Water is a natural resource. Water is a natural resource. We need water to our purpose. Water, we get water from rain, river, lake, farm, pop water, waste, stream, sea. Water is a good conductor of electricity. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Arsalan. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is about traffic light. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the corner bright. When it's green, stop to go. When it's green, stop to go. When it's red, stop to go. When it's red, stop to go. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the corner bright. When it's green.
Yes, you
Say na. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mehraj Fatima. My topic is solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Earth is the blue planet. The planet rotates around the sun. We live in Earth, Earth. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Veda. I'm studying pre-KG class. My topic is pen holder. Our pen mister is used for storing machine like pen, mobile, etc. It is used for storing at toilet. It's helping to find all the things in one place. Thank you.
yes. Uनको जो yes. हाँ.
Good afternoon. My name and my friend. I am studying in LKG class. My topic is discussion on quiet, triangle, circle, heart shape, diamond shape.
Yes.
Circle is round shape. Circle is round shape. Circle is yellow color.
Thank you. Thank you. टॉपिक कौन सा?
Agriculture.
हाँ यस एग्रीकल्चर.
Agriculture.
हाँ, yes.
Agriculture.
एक्सप्लेन करो.
Good morning to all adults. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Hafiz. I study in University Class School of BT English Nursery School. Today my topic is paragraph agriculture. Agriculture is profession in our country. Who do agriculture called as a farmer? Farmers are our country. There are two types of farming. Selective farming, commercial farming. Selective farming does for weeds. Commercial farming does for market profit, rice crop, cotton crop, wheat crop. This farming crop we celebrate farming on 23rd December. Thank you. Myself, Mohammed. I am studying in UKG class. My school name is BT English Nursery School. My topic is National Park. National Park is one of the great gifts of nature. It is beautiful place where everyone loves to go. National Park is one of the most. In the park is so many animals and trees. I pledge to conserve the natural resources. I pledge to not to keep wild animals as pets. Thank you.
Yes.
My name is Ansuga. I am ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಜುಗ. ನಾನು UKG ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಂತು ಮತ್ತೊಂದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಕನ್ನಡ. My name is Arabia Banu. I am studying. Good morning everyone. My name is Arabia Banu. I am studying UKG B section. My topic is different types of animals. There are 3 types of animals: only herbs, leaves and plants. Carnivorous only red meat. Omnivore animals both herbs and red meat. Thank you everyone.
Yes.
My name is Asra Fatima. I am studying in UKG B section. My topic is traffic signal. Red light say stop. Yellow light say wait. Green light say go. Safe drive, safe life. Thank you.
Yes, बोलो.
My name is Alman Fatima. I am studying in UKG B section. My topic is national symbols. National symbols of India. Tiger is national symbol. Tiger is the national animal of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. Pink lotus is the national flower of India. Pink lotus is the national flower of India. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Banyan tree is the national aquatic animal of India. Thank you. My name is Afra Zainab. I am studying UKG B section. My topic is the life cycle of butterfly. There are 4 stages. The life cycle of butterfly: egg, caterpillar, cocoon, butterfly. My name is Bebe Fatima. I am studying in UKG B section. My topic is community helper are people who help us, with our time and playing. They are doctors, police, soldiers, postman, firefighter, mechanic, and teacher. Seema Mohsin. I am studying UKG class. My topic is food and vegetables. Food and vegetables contain vitamin, mineral, fiber, etc. The help to prevent disease. The help to maintain good health. They are open or canary. Madrasa. Thank you.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammed Adnan. I am studying in UKG class. My topic is days of the week. Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you.
Because to encourage children. So first I'll start with Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asma. I'm class teacher of UKGA section. So I'm working from past 4 years. This is the fourth time I'm attending this exhibition. So I enjoyed very well. Children also enjoyed very well because they are the new one to see these models and all. Yeah, they are very good. They are very supportive. So I'm very glad and thank to our parents and to all nursery parents. So thank you very much. I and my children enjoyed very well. Thank you so much.
I'm working from 14 years. So children are very interested. They are doing all that activities. Even parents also will participate for us. Appreciate all the parents and staff teachers and all the other things. Even first I want to madam support. So everything is madam and management also. So I'm very happy to enjoy this participate today's exhibition.
What are the topics you have given to the students?
We are given so many topics are there.
Yes.
Traffic light, solar system, the picture talk, mango trees, so many things are there in that exhibition.
और एक बार आप.
Thank you.
Once again you.
Hello everyone. So my name is Aisha. I'm new teacher here. I'm teaching grade UKG grade B section. So this is for the first time I'm visiting kindergarten exhibition. It is really awesome. For the first time I'm visiting this, and the parents are very supportive. Within a month, within a short notice, they prepared very well model, and also kids have shown their so much of support. We need to encourage them a lot. We need to motivate them to do much more in future. So this is their basement. It is really good. Thank you.
So what is your efforts here?
I am Sadiq Nisa, headmistress of this institution. I am working from since 37 years. Now, early childhood is very important to highlight their hidden talents. So because of that, we have conducted the nursery exhibition today. Every year we are conducting the same to highlight the hidden talents, and the parents are also very cooperative by making the models, and our teachers' effort shows that successful today's program. Thank you.
The topics here are science, social sciences.
Yeah, it's a multi-talent program. This one it conducts science, creativity, arts, everything. There is no specialized subject today. It's a general exhibition for all from pre-KG to UKG students.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. I am Yasmin ma'am from MAS school. Today I visited this BAT school for the exhibition nursery, pre-KG, LKG, UKG. This is Avesum. Come to this one. Quiz. Very nice. Even children also very nice. They are introducing themselves in very good way, and this discipline and everything. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon.
ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೈತ್ರ ಇಲಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माई सेल्फ फौजिया और मैं हिलाल इंग्लिश नर्सरी स्कूल से हूँ जो लोकेटेड कैटरन टिन फैक्ट्री में होती है। और यहाँ पे आज मैं जजिंग की तरह से आई हूँ। यहाँ पे जो भी मॉडल्स हैं माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे हैं, और बच्चों ने जो मेहनत की है, बोलने का उनका जो तरीका माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है। सारे बच्चे इतनी अच्छे से बोल रहे माशाल्लाह, दे आर वेरी गुड इन एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. My name is Fatima Regina. I am studying UKG section English Nursery School. Today I am speaking about health is wealth. Health is wealth. It is one of God's best gifts to us. If we are careless about it, it is lost. So bad habits spoil our health. These are some examples. No smoking and drinking. Avoid junk food. For example, pizza, burger, french fries, cola, etc. So we must try to keep good health. Good habits, use dustbin, use toilet. For that we must eat enough but not too much food. Take healthy and balanced diet. Fish, meat, fruits and vegetables, cereals, roti, rice, fish, bread, puri, oats. Fresh air is also very necessary for good health. At the same time, we must take exercise, play outdoor games, do cycling, improve health by yoga, morning walks, improve health by swimming. Be a lifetime. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Seema Mohsin. I am studying UKG section. Today my topic is source of water. Water is a natural resource. 71% of what contains water. We need water to all purposes. We get water from rain, river, lakes, house, pump water, wells, sea. Water is a good conductor of electricity. Thank you so much. Zoo is a great place for entertainment. In zoo we can find different animals and birds like turkey. Zoo workmen, zoo people, old men. These are us. While visiting a zoo, we should not mix with animals. Especially children. Thank you. Morning everyone, myself Muhammad Ghosh. I am studying in Nursery. My school name is BT English Primary School. Today my topic is self-confidence. Inaugurated for food, not make food. It teaches everything we taught. Oxygen to breathe. If there is no earth, if there is no life, thank you. Rock, tea, rock. Some rocks, trees are red, fun. Agriculture is profession, country. Who does the job? God and the farmer. Farmers are the life of our country. They are with for farming. Sector farming, commercial farming. Sector farming does for industry based. Commercial farming does for. I'm studying in UKG section. My topic is these one. You answer and listen. C-A-T-K, K-A-T-K. F-U-T-Man, F-U-Man. F-A-N-Fan, and-fan. R-O-D-Rod, and-rod. H-E-N-Fan, H-and-fan. Never has been talking and zeroed. Avoid phone calls while driving. Wear helmet while riding. We should always follow the traffic rules. Safe driving. That's why we they plant our houses and we plant our beautiful life. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My topic is cow, horse. Cow lives in shed. Horse lives in stable. Dog lives in kennel. Sheep lives in shed. Cow, rabbit, bunny, chicken, chick, cat, kitten, panda, cub. Thank you. My topic is food. Food. Water. Yes. They make our life very easy. Without this, life would be difficult. My name is hello, butterfly. Butterfly. Who help us? Who help with our health and well-being? Firefighter, mechanic, and teacher. Many important will organization. My topic is community advice, doctor, teacher, police. What helps and ready-made. Thank you, everyone. In UKG B section, my topic is the week. Weekly 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Transportation help us going people. My study in UKG B section. My topic is active. Birds are great communicators. Crow, pigeon, parrot, peacock, eagle. Pigeon, parrot, peacock, eagle, sparrow, penguin. In UKG section, my topic is part of the body: mouth, tongue, nose, forehead. Good morning, very good. This map highlights favorite. Good morning, our present teacher. My name is Anshata. I am about girls necessary for keep movements alive. Studying LKG class. My topic is about fun and fun. I saw these samples in this area. We sell good quality toy. This is 100 rupees. This is 50 rupees. This is 100